Hey guys, this is Chris with Cricket Users in the US Tech channel. Recently, I had my Microsoft mouse go out. It was actually acting really weird with the left click, double clicking automatically. So I went to Best Buy, and they didn't have a full size mice, and everything seems to be moving towards wireless. So I picked this guy up for $15. Just installed it this morning. Microsoft Wireless Mobile Mouse 4000, only $15. Comes in a couple different colors. If you guys didn't know, the center click, which is the scroll mouse, um, normally used for scrolling up and down. If you click with it, usually you can open up a new tab on any link. So any link you click with the center roller wheel will open up a new tab, just like that. Also on the tabs, you can center click that wheel and it'll close them automatically. So it just is a quick way to navigate around. It takes off a few seconds maybe every once in a while, which will save you time throughout your day. Which I did notice was this mouse was not configured for that. So I have Windows 8 installed. If you go and search to find your app, just push mouse, you'll come up with the Microsoft Mouse and Keyboard Center. And under the basic settings, you can go wheel button, and the default is flip. You click that little question mark, it'll tell you what flip does. So it looks like you can go through your windows. But I did want the middle click functionality back. Just click middle click, and then you'll be able to do exactly that on your browsers to close them. Center click and center click on links to open them up on a new tab. So for more information about technology, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.